Deep beneath the waves of the Pacific and Indian Oceans lies a mystery that has captivated explorers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. A lost continent, a cradle of civilization, a beacon of light in a world shrouded in darkness. This is the story of Lemuria, a name whispered in legends, debated in science, and revered in the annals of esoteric wisdom. Was it a real place, swallowed by the sea in a cataclysmic disaster? Or a myth born from humanity's longing for a golden age? Today, we uncover the entire history of Lemuria, the civilization of light, its rise, its glory, and its enigmatic fall. Our journey begins not with ruins or relics, but with an idea. In the 19th century, a British zoologist named Philip Sclater puzzled over a strange problem. Lemurs, those wide-eyed primates, were found in Madagascar and India, separated by vast oceans. How could this be? Sclater proposed a bold theory. A sunken landmass once connected these regions, a continent lost to time. He called it Lemuria, after the lemurs he studied. This wasn't a tale of kings or conquests. It was a hypothesis rooted in science, an attempt to explain the mysteries of nature. But Lemuria would soon transcend its humble origins, igniting imaginations across the globe. Geologists of the era seized on the idea. They pointed to evidence of ancient land bridges and submerged terrains, remnants of a world long gone. The Indian Ocean's underwater plateaus and the Pacific's volcanic scars hinted at dramatic shifts in the Earth's crust. Could Lemuria have been a real continent, drowned by rising seas or shattered by tectonic upheaval? Some speculated it thrived tens of thousands of years ago, a lush paradise stretching from Africa to Asia, its shores kissed by warm tides. Yet, as science moved forward, the theory faded. Plate tectonics replaced sunken continents with drifting plates. Lemuria, it seemed, was destined to vanish into the footnotes of history. But then, something extraordinary happened. Lemuria was reborn, not in laboratories, but in the realm of the spirit. In 1875, Helena Blavatsky, the founder of Theosophy, introduced a new vision of Lemuria to the world. In her esoteric writings, she described it as a lost homeland of humanity, a civilization of unparalleled wisdom and light. According to Blavatsky, Lemuria was home to an advanced race, beings of immense stature and intellect, gifted with psychic abilities and a deep connection to the cosmos. This wasn't the Lemuria of lemurs and fossils. This was a utopia, a golden age before the dawn of recorded history. Blavatsky claimed her knowledge came from ancient texts, the Akashic records, and psychic revelations. She spoke of Lemuria's people as the third of 7 root races, a spiritual lineage tracing humanity's evolution. They lived in harmony with nature, their cities aglow with crystalline structures and radiant energy. Their technology, if it could be called that, was not of steel and steam, but of mind and spirit, a mastery of forces we can scarcely imagine. For Theosophists, Lemuria was no mere continent. It was a symbol of humanity's lost potential, a light extinguished by time. Picture this world for a moment. Towering figures walk beneath a sky streaked with colors we've forgotten. Their voices hum with resonance, shaping the air itself. Gardens of impossible beauty stretch across fertile plains, fed by rivers that shimmer like liquid gold. In the distance, mountains rise, their peaks crowned with temples that pulse with ethereal light. This was Lemuria at its height, a civilization not of conquest, but of creation, a beacon in an age of shadows. But no golden age lasts forever. The fall of Lemuria is as mysterious as its rise. Some say it was a natural disaster, a volcanic eruption that tore the land apart, or a deluge that swallowed it whole. Others speak of a cosmic reckoning, a shift in the Earth's energies that ended the reign of the third root race. Blavatsky hinted at a gradual decline, as Lemuria's people scattered, their wisdom fading into myth. Whatever the cause, the result was the same. Lemuria sank beneath the waves, leaving only echoes in the stories of those who came after. Yet its legacy endures. Across the Pacific, tales of sunken lands whisper through the ages. In Polynesian mythology, the island of Mu, a paradise lost to the sea, bears striking similarities to Lemuria. Tamil legends from South India speak of Kumari Kandam, a vast continent drowned by the ocean, its culture preserved in fragments. Were these memories of Lemuria, passed down through generations? Archaeologists have found tantalizing clues, submerged ruins off the coast of Yonaguni, Japan, and ancient stone structures in Micronesia. Could these be remnants of a forgotten world? In the 20th century, Lemuria found new life. Writers like James Churchward claimed Mu was a historical reality, a Pacific empire rivaling Atlantis. New Age thinkers embraced it as a source of spiritual awakening, a lost Eden where humanity once touched the divine. Even science fiction wove Lemuria into its tales, imagining it as a cradle of alien visitors or hidden technologies. Today, it remains an enigma, a puzzle with pieces scattered across history, myth, and the human soul. So what is the truth of Lemuria? Was it a continent that once spanned the oceans, its cities now silent beneath the deep? Or a dream born from our yearning for a better past? Perhaps it's both, a shadow of reality, magnified by imagination. The civilization of light may never yield its secrets, but its story challenges us to look beyond the known, to seek the wonders that lie just out of reach. As the waves roll over its lost shores, Lemuria whispers a timeless question. What have we forgotten, and what might we yet become?